Whether you're new to minimalism or looking to refine your journey, Quit Clutter offers inspiration and guidance for everyone. Join us if you're ready to quit clutter and organize, optimize, and thrive in your life. Did you know that the clutter in your environment can significantly impact your subconscious mind, affecting your decision-making processes and overall mental health? This unseen mess can quietly dictate the course of your day, influencing your productivity, stress levels, and even your ability to focus. Subconscious clutter refers to the accumulation of mental and emotional junk that we are often unaware of, but that profoundly affects. Just as physical clutter can crowd our living spaces and create chaos, subconscious clutter can cloud our minds, obstruct our thinking, and hinder our personal growth. Understanding its impact is crucial for anyone striving to improve their mental clarity and overall well-being. Subconscious clutter manifests in various ways, from unresolved emotions and unprocessed experiences to constant mental chatter and information overload. This hidden clutter can lead to mental fatigue, reduced productivity, and a general sense of overwhelm. The challenge lies in identifying and addressing these hidden factors to regain control over our minds and lives. Let's delve into 5 specific ways in which subconscious clutter can change your life. 1. Increased stress levels. Subconscious clutter often manifests as lingering stress and anxiety. When our minds are filled with unresolved issues and unfinished tasks, we experience a constant undercurrent of tension. This stress can become chronic, leading to increased cortisol levels that cause physical symptoms like headaches, muscle tension, and disrupted sleep patterns. By decluttering our minds, we can reduce this persistent stress and create a more peaceful mental environment. 2. Decreased focus. A cluttered mind struggles to focus. When our subconscious is preoccupied with numerous thoughts and distractions, concentrating on a single task becomes challenging. This lack of focus can impair our productivity, as we find ourselves easily distracted and unable to complete tasks efficiently. Clearing mental clutter allows us to sharpen our focus and enhance our ability to engage fully with the tasks at hand. 3. Impaired decision-making. Decision-making relies heavily on mental clarity. When our subconscious is cluttered, we may find it difficult to weigh options, consider outcomes, and make sound decisions. This can lead to indecisiveness or, conversely, hasty decisions that we later regret. By addressing subconscious clutter, we can improve our decision-making processes and make choices that align better with our goals and values. 4. Reduced creativity. Creativity thrives in a clear and open mind. Subconscious clutter, however, can stifle our creative abilities. When our minds are bogged down with extraneous thoughts and worries, there is little room for the free flow of ideas and inspiration. By decluttering our minds, we create the mental space and mental health necessary for creativity to thrive, enabling us to think outside the box and innovate. Lowered emotional well-being. Our emotional health is closely tied to the state of our subconscious. Cluttered minds often carry unprocessed emotions, unresolved conflicts, and negative thought patterns. These can contribute to feelings of sadness, frustration, and even depression. Addressing and decluttering our subconscious helps us process these emotions, leading to improved emotional well-being and a more positive outlook on life. The most impactful way in which subconscious clutter influences our lives is through its effect on our overall sense of well-being. When our minds are cluttered, we are disconnected from our true selves and our goals. This disconnection can lead to a pervasive sense of dissatisfaction and unfulfillment. Recognizing this profound impact can serve as a pivotal eureka moment, motivating us to take action in decluttering our minds and reclaiming our mental and emotional health. We at Quit Clutter want to be sensitive to the fact that some subconscious clutter is little stuff, like when someone just cut you off in traffic. Other subconscious clutter can be much more significant trauma and should be handled with a trained mental health professional. In either case, be gentle with yourself as you work towards cleaning this subconscious clutter. We at Quit Clutter are not licensed mental health professionals. If your mental health situation feels unbearable, please know that you are not alone. In the United States, you can call or text 988 for free crisis support from trained professionals 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. The website is also linked in the description and has several other options and resources. We love and value you as part of our community. We want you to be well and thrive. In summary, subconscious clutter can significantly affect various aspects of our lives, from increasing stress levels and reducing focus to impairing decision-making, stifling creativity, and impacting mental health. Understanding these impacts highlights the importance of taking steps to declutter our minds. By doing so, we can enhance our mental clarity, boost productivity, and improve our overall quality of life. Have you experienced the effects of subconscious clutter in your life? Share your stories in the comments section below. In a later video, we will explore mindfulness as one of the skills to help us overcome subconscious clutter. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights on decluttering, personal growth, and moderate minimalism. Let's embark on this journey of decluttering our minds together in order to organize, optimize, and thrive.